Okay, so just got this. I'm gonna change the camera angle and show you what's in there, but this just came. I just opened the box. The Everlast Power Take 325 EXT. Anyway, what I was going to say, the reason I stopped doing the other recording when I wanted to say this is Everlast, I should hold this. Anyway, Everlast was super cool. So they didn't have any in stock. I bought the water cooler, I bought some flexible torches and stuff like that. So I bought a little bit more than just this. But they didn't have this in stock. No joke. I ordered it on the 18th of March. Today's the, what is today? Today is the 20th? No, I ordered it on 18th. No, I ordered it on like Thursday. So that must have been this 16th. I ordered on the 16th of March, 20th of March, here. And this came from China. EXT, or Everlast wanted to, you know, create goodwill so much, they sent it, like literally I got this in less than a week from China. And if you've ever done anything, because I've done Amazon, FBA, and I've had some products and businesses on Amazon, getting something from China in a week, unless you're willing to pay big bucks, is a no-go. Well, Everlast got it to me in less than a week. And I just gotta say kudos to Everlast for that. I just wanted to say that because you rarely find that. And I think these guys are Russian. I think Russian or Eastern European somewhere. Anyway, they're super cool. Okay, so let's continue with the unboxing. So we got the manual. Set that aside. Obviously, you've got our power cord. Nice padding. I saw the guy take it out of the truck too, and he was really cool with it. So DHL delivered it. The covering. Make sure I don't want to take it out. I'm looking for like a ridge to grab onto, and there's nothing. Well, let's see what this is. Oh, these are the things to grab onto. Not installed, but no big deal. Easy. I just don't want to grab it. I could be grabbing on like some knob, you know, break the knob or something. I don't need much, just a little bit to put my fingers on. Get my finger on there. I don't know, I think if you were a small guy or you didn't lift weights, you'd have to figure out another way to get that out of there. Because, yeah. Let's change the camera. I say that because it's awkward. It's not super heavy, it's just, if you don't know what you're grabbing, So, just since we're in here, so I got that to go with it. And you can see that for size. So, let me put this up. So, what I didn't buy a cart. I have a welding cart for my other welder. I got a Millimatic. I'm gonna make this welder. I'm gonna weld together the table for this and make it just perfect, cool, just exactly how I want it. Like for the bottle holders in the back, it's not just gonna be a chain. I'm gonna make it so it's got like a half circle of the right bottle size. I can just put it in there and then maybe make a latch. I don't know, it's gonna be custom, so it's gonna be exactly how I want it. Anyway, just showing you that, that's what I got. So this is what came with the welder. A 8. No, it's a 9, I can't even read it. It's a 9. 9 air and a 20 water. I think that was supposed to have been an air cooled, but whatever. 20 water. And then I ordered on my own an 18 water, and I'm using a 20 water flex head on the, see, I ordered the flex head. This is an 18 water flex head. I'm using a 20 water flex head on the TIG welder right now. This is a 20 straight, standard head, and this is a 9 air-cooled standard head. These two came with the welder. I ordered this one extra when I ordered it. So this is what came with the welder. This, the 20, the straight, it's so confusing. The straight 20 water, the 9 straight air, these two things. Okay, so now back to the story that I was gonna tell you. So when they sent me the first box, they forgot to send me the stuff that was supposed to come with it. They only sent me the stuff I ordered extra. And so, but they did send this. And I was like, what am I gonna do with the carbon dioxide? I got a MIG welder. What am I gonna do with this? And I even use a mix on that. But anyway, so they ended up sending me an argon flow meter. But so you'll get a flow meter. It should be argon, but whatever. They took care of me. Not a problem. This came with the welder, the stick clamp. That I don't remember where that came from. And then this. I don't remember. I'm not going to include this in there because I don't really remember what this came with. So this is what comes with it. You get the welder, a flow meter, a couple of consumable dealios, a 220 to 110, a stick clamp, 20 straight water or air, I think it's supposed to be air, and a 9 straight air. And then, I'm not sure why I don't know why they sent me these. I don't use them, so I don't know. It comes also with a pedal, that's already on there, and some hosing to do your stuff. I'll show it to you. I'll walk it over there right now, just to give you an idea how I got it set up right now. I got a bunch of stuff going on, so. Okay, so this is how this is it in its full glory. So I got it set up. So there's the water cooler, the 375 water cooler, 325 EXT. I bought it just temporarily. I bought it just this Harbor Freight. It was like 150 bucks. And then I modified it because these were, I think they had, somehow this was in the way of this, because I didn't even measure it when I bought it. I just assumed it would fit. Clearly I was wrong. So what I did is I drilled another hole. There was one hole and it was out here. So this whole thing was out here further, I think. I don't remember. Anyway, I just added another hole and put it down so I could use it as a, to put weight on this. I think because I think it was supposed to be up a little bit. I think that's covering the hole, but I think it was like this so that the handle was up here. And I just put it flat so I could put it on this and it would hold the weight. Because this is 30 inches or so. Here, let me measure it just in case you're wondering if you're gonna leave out your cart or, I don't know. So from the back of the cart, which is where it's actually touching the very back of this cart. So it's 25 inches. The width is normal width of most things, most welding. If you really want me to measure, I will. Measure right here. 9.5. 9.5 by 25, and then when you stack them, you want to know what that's like. We'll call that 29. 29. Oh, yeah. So 29 up, 25 length, and 9.5 width. Just in case you wanted to know. And that's how I was set up. So this is the flex head that I'm using. And that's it. So I just wanted to say what was in there so you knew. Okay. Hey, if you like these videos and you want to see more, please consider helping us out by picking up a t-shirt over at blacktopmods.com. Be super helpful. We're going to have, as you know, right now we're doing the R8 twin turbo build with also building our own intercoolers. After that, we're going to do a wide body, R8 wide body kit. We're going to actually build the kit ourselves, carbon fiber. And then any other things that you want to see build, those are just the two we have on tap right now. If I'd have known earlier, I could have done my son's R8. We just are not his R8, his A6. We took the motor out twice trying to figure something out. And that would have been cool just to show everybody. But that's done. So also, there could be other builds. Anyway, anything that you're interested in, that would be cool. And it would really help us out a lot if you could pick up a t-shirt. I mean, I would say just support the channel if you want. Maybe I'll put a button down there for PayPal or something like that. That would be awesome. But, the t-shirts are cool. Everyone wears t-shirts. I bought this, online for somebody. So that would just help us out a lot. Really appreciate it.